How to convert your photo into realistic looking 3D keychain of yourself. Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to make a photo into a 3D keychain. What we can do, first of all, we have to go to the chat GPT, and you can go in your laptop, computer, mobile, wherever you want to go, and go to this image option over here, and after that you have to find out the keychain option over here. From over here, one second, this one is the turn into a keychain. Choose that, and after that you have to choose your photo. You can choose it from your laptop or computer, and it will start working on it. It's give you a command over there, and it takes a little time, and after that it just convert that image into a keychain. You can look at it. Okay, one second, I given that image and it just created a cute keychain over here. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.